we'll show you how to search on Google. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. With Google, you can browse the internet. To get started, open a web browser if you haven't already. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Go to the address bar at the top. Type google.com and press Enter. This will open the Google search page. Now, type what you're looking for in the search box. For example, this channel is called Guide Realm. If I type Guide Realm, Google will show the search results. You'll see different websites that match your search, and you can scroll down to explore more results. Google may also show useful information at the top of the page. You can also select images to see only pictures, or choose videos, short videos, news, forums, and other tabs to filter your search results. That's all there is to it. Google makes it easy to find what you're looking for. When you see the result you want, just click on it and it will take you to that page. In this example, it takes me to YouTube. If you found this video helpful and want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another how-to guide soon.